The area bounded by mod y is equal to minus x plus 1 and the curve y square is equal to 4x. Options are 6 minus 4 root 2, 8 root 2 minus 10 divided by 3, 2 times 8 root 2 minus 10 divided by 3, 5 root 2 minus 7. Let's try to see what is the required area. We are given y square equal to 4x, which is a right open parabola. Mod y is equal to minus x plus 1. Whenever y is positive, it becomes y is equal to minus x plus 1, which is nothing but this portion of the line. Whenever y is negative, it becomes minus y is equal to minus x plus 1, which is this portion of the line. So it intersects at the point 1, 0. This is the area that is required. The two curves are intersecting at the points A and C. Both the regions are symmetric with respect to the x-axis. We can find the region above the x-axis and multiply by 2. Let's try to get the coordinates of the point A by solving the two curves. Replace y is equal to minus x plus 1. We get x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. We get x equal to 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. But the x-coordinate of the point A should lie between 0 and 1. So we have to consider the x-coordinate of A to be 3 minus 2 root 2. Substitute x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 in the equation of the line y is equal to minus x plus 1. We get y is equal to 2 root 2 minus 2. So the required area is 2 times integral 0 to the point P, which is 3 minus 2 root 2, area bound by the parabola. So y is equal to root of 4x, which is 2 root x dx, plus the area of the triangle PAB can be taken as half into base into height. The height of this triangle is nothing but the y-coordinate of the point A, which is 2 root 2 minus 2. The base of the triangle is PB, which is the x-coordinate of the point B minus the x-coordinate of the point P, which is 1 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Integrate 2 root x. We get 2 into x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, which is 4 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 between the limit 0 to 3 minus 2 root 2. Simplify the area of the triangle. Now we substitute the upper limit. We get 4 by 3 into 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole power 3 by 2, which can be taken as square root of 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole cube. But we know square root of 3 minus 2 root 2 is root 2 minus 1. So the first term after substitution of the limits becomes 4 by 3 into root 2 minus 1 the whole cube plus 6 minus 4 root 2. Expand the root 2 minus 1 the whole cube. Take 3 as an LCM. Simplify the expression. It becomes 2 times 8 root 2 minus 10 divided by 3. Therefore, the area bound between y square equal to 4x and mod y is equal to minus x plus 1 is nothing but 2 times 8 root 2 minus 10 divided by 3, which is option C.